Hello and welcome. Can you believe that our dear Celine Dion was not listed in Rolling Stone's latest 200 Greatest Singers of All Time list? Now, that is what we are going to discuss in this video. Are you ready to get the full gist? Then, stick around till after the intro, as we'll delve into this most unfortunate incident that is making Celine Dion's fans lose their cool. Is this your first time on this channel? Kindly support me by clicking the subscribe button below and smash the bell notification icon next to it, so that you would be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new awesome video, and our ever-growing community will love you for that. Having said that, welcome back. As you may have heard, our dearest songbird, Celine Dion, was excluded from Rolling Stone's 200 Greatest Singers of All Time list, and her ever-supportive fans are expressing their outrage over the decision to snub the 5-time Grammy Award winner. The list, published on New Year's Day, includes singers such as Aretha Franklin, Taylor Swift, Rosalia, Ozzy Osbourne, Beyoncé, Burna Boy, Fela Kuti, SZA, Brandy, and so on. This new list was compiled by our staff and key contributors, and it encompasses 100 years of pop music as an ongoing global conversation, Rolling Stone writes. The decisions were based on originality, influence, the depth of an artist's catalog, and the breadth of their musical legacy. Before you start scrolling and commenting, keep in mind that this is the greatest singers list, not the greatest voices list, they add. Talent is impressive, genius is transcendent. Sure, many of the people here were born with massive pipes, perfect pitch, and boundless range. Others have rougher, stranger, or more delicate instruments. In all cases, what mattered most to us was originality, influence, the depth of an artist's catalog, and the breadth of their musical legacy. A voice can be gorgeous like Mariah Carey's, rugged like Toots Hibbert's, understated like Willie Nelson's, slippery and sumptuous like D'Angelo's, or bracing like Bob Dylan's. But in the end, the singers behind it are here for one reason: they can remake the world just by opening their mouths. In response to the list, many fans of Dion tweeted about their disbelief and disappointment at the absence of the 54-year-old Canadian singer, who has sold more than 250 million albums worldwide throughout her 4-decade career. My take on this matter. Celine Dion is not just a Canadian singer, but also a songwriter who has gained international fame for her powerful and emotive voice. She has released numerous albums and singles throughout her career, many of which have become popular hits. Not to mention the numerous awards she has won throughout her career. However, Rolling Stone is a magazine that covers music, politics, and popular culture. It has published several lists, ranking the top artists in various categories over the years. Excluding Celine Dion from this latest list, for whatever reason, is unimaginable. Yet, it is important to note that such lists are subjective and can be controversial, as different people may have different opinions about who should be included in the list. What do you think? Is Rolling Stone magazine right for excluding Celine Dion from the list? Drop your comments below. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly support me by clicking the subscribe button below and smash the bell notification icon next to it, so that you would be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new awesome video, and our ever-growing community will love you for that. If you enjoyed this video, then watch this video next and this video next. Till we see in my next video, it's bye-bye.